Chicken? What are we going to do?
Now take it easy there, little lady.
Ooh! Those criminals now have Lulu and Dr. Morgan as their prisoners. And if they don't get those blueprints, they'll surely kill them to death.
Don't worry, little Miss Mindy. And you forgot the first rule. Never let him see you sweat. I learned that from Lars Whopper on Cowboy Cowman. He started sweating during the logjam scene and he nearly ruined the whole picture.
Oh, Stunt Chicken.
This is just like the climactic scene from Moon at Midnight. You remember?
You don't mean the nitro jump. Tell me that's not what you mean.
Well, Buncake, I don't have a lot of choices. I was thinking of the old forklift gag from Suddenly Dead, but it takes two, doll, and you're in no shape to spot me. No, ma'am. Instead, I'm going to use the road missile with the nitro injector. If I can hit that curb and flip the car on its side, then catch the edge of that truck, I'll then hit the nitro, which time it'll propel me up onto the second floor. I should have enough velocity to break through the wall, catching them off guard, and springing Lulu and Dr. Morgan while knocking the rest of them unconscious.
But that was a gag on a controlled set with rigs and safety stuff. It's 1,000,000 to 1 shot.
That sounds like a good bet to me.
Why don't we call the police and let them handle it?
Wish me luck, Dumpling. Hit the nitro, hit the nitro.
Stunt Chicken, you're my hero.